Did you know that losing up to 100 hair strands daily is completely normal and actually healthy? Before we dive into natural solutions for stronger, bouncier hair, drop a comment and tell me what country you're watching from. The truth about hair loss. Hair loss worries millions of people worldwide. When strands fall out, panic sets in. People imagine themselves looking less attractive, less confident. But here's what most don't understand. Your body is incredibly intelligent. When hair falls, it's not a malfunction, it's a renewal process. The body recognizes weak, damaged strands and releases them to make room for new, healthy growth. Up to 100 strands falling daily is nature's way of maintaining your hair's health and vitality. However, when hair loss exceeds this natural range, something deeper is happening. Excessive shedding signals imbalances in your body or hair care routine. The good news is that natural remedies, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustments can reverse this trend. You don't need expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. Your kitchen holds powerful ingredients that strengthen follicles, promote growth, and restore your hair's natural beauty. Why excessive hair loss happens? Understanding the root causes helps you address hair loss effectively. Several factors contribute to excessive shedding, and identifying yours is the first step toward recovery. Hereditary and genetic factors play a significant role. If your parents or grandparents experienced hair thinning, you may face similar challenges. While genetics can't be completely overcome, natural treatments can slow the process and improve hair quality significantly. Nutritional deficiencies rank among the most common causes. Iron deficiency weakens hair follicles and reduces oxygen delivery to your scalp. Calcium deficiency affects hair structure and strength. Anemic conditions starve your hair of essential nutrients, leading to breakage and loss. Your hair reflects your internal health. When your body lacks vital minerals and vitamins, your hair suffers first. Medical conditions and medications also contribute. Sinusitis, persistent colds, and coughs require medications that often list hair loss as a side effect. These medicines disrupt your body's natural balance, affecting hair growth cycles. Stress and tension damage more than your mental health. Chronic stress triggers hormonal imbalances that directly attack hair follicles. When you live in constant worry, your body diverts resources away from non-essential functions like hair growth. Learning to manage stress isn't an option for healthy hair, it's essential. Dandruff and poor scalp hygiene create hostile environments for hair growth. When you neglect proper cleansing, dead skin cells, oils, and product buildup suffocate follicles. Dandruff causes inflammation and itching, weakening hair at the root. Chemical treatments represent one of the worst offenders. Hair dyes, bleaches, perms, and straightening treatments contain harsh chemicals that strip natural oils, weaken hair structure, and damage follicles permanently. Every chemical application sacrifices long-term health for temporary appearance. If you're learning valuable information about natural hair care, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Vigorphil for more health wisdom. Natural dietary solutions for stronger hair. Your diet directly impacts hair health. What you eat becomes the building blocks for new hair growth. A simple, plant-based diet rich in whole foods provides everything your hair needs to thrive. Focus on foods high in iron and calcium. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale deliver both minerals abundantly. Legumes, lentils, and beans provide protein and iron without animal products. Seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, and flax contain essential fatty acids that nourish hair follicles from within. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in hair health. It strengthens follicles, prevents premature graying, and enhances iron absorption. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and guavas should feature regularly in your meals. Greek yogurt stands as the only acceptable dairy product for hair health. It provides protein and beneficial bacteria that support nutrient absorption. Consume it in moderation, focusing primarily on plant-based sources. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives. These create inflammation throughout your body, including your scalp. They disrupt hormone balance and steal nutrients needed for hair growth. Hydration matters tremendously. Water carries nutrients to hair follicles and flushes toxins from your system. Drink at least 8 glasses daily, more if you exercise or live in hot climates. Powerful natural remedies from your kitchen. Nature provides everything needed for beautiful, healthy hair. These simple, accessible ingredients outperform expensive salon treatments when used consistently. Amla and lemon hair mask. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, contains more vitamin C than almost any other fruit. Combined with lemon juice, it creates a powerful treatment that strengthens follicles and prevents hair loss. Take amla powder and mix it with fresh lemon juice to form a smooth paste. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your scalp without dripping. Apply this mixture directly to your scalp, massaging gently with your fingertips. Cover every area of your scalp thoroughly. Leave the mask on for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing the vitamins to penetrate deeply. Rinse with lukewarm water and a mild natural shampoo. The vitamin C in both ingredients strengthens hair from the root, prevents premature graying, and promotes new growth. Use this treatment twice weekly for best results. Aloe vera gel treatment. Aloe vera works like magic for damaged, weak hair. It strengthens strands, promotes faster growth, and acts as a natural conditioner. The gel contains enzymes that remove dead skin cells from the scalp, creating optimal conditions for growth. Using aloe vera is simple. Cut a fresh aloe leaf and extract the clear gel inside. You need nothing else. No mixing, no additives. Apply the pure gel directly to your scalp and hair, massaging it in thoroughly. Cover your hair completely from roots to tips. Leave it on for 45 minutes to 1 hour. The longer it sits, the deeper it penetrates. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water. Aloe vera makes your hair incredibly soft, bouncy, and manageable. It repairs damage from chemicals, heat, and environmental stress. For weak, brittle hair, this treatment works wonders. Use it 2 to 3 times weekly. Curry leaves and coconut oil infusion. This traditional remedy has been used for generations across cultures that value thick, lustrous hair. Curry leaves contain proteins, beta-carotene, and amino acids that prevent hair loss and promote growth. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft better than any other oil, delivering nutrients directly where needed. Take a handful of fresh curry leaves and roast them lightly in a pan. Add coconut oil and bring it to a gentle boil. Continue heating it until the mixture turns dark, almost blackish in color. This indicates that the nutrients from the curry leaves have infused into the oil. Switch off the heat and let it cool completely. Strain the oil to remove the leaves. Apply this infused oil to your scalp, massaging in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. The massage stimulates blood flow, which delivers more nutrients to follicles. Leave the oil on for at least 1 hour or overnight for intensive treatment. Wash with a natural, gentle shampoo. This treatment strengthens weak hair, reduces shedding, and adds natural shine and bounce. Use it once or twice weekly. Daily practices for optimal hair health. Consistency matters more than intensity. These simple daily practices, performed regularly, create dramatic improvements in hair health and appearance. Scalp massage with your fingertips increases blood circulation to hair follicles. Spend 5 minutes daily massaging your scalp in circular motions. Use gentle pressure, working from your forehead back to the nape of your neck. This simple practice delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your roots, promoting faster, stronger growth. Back combing stimulates circulation effectively. Take a wide tooth comb and comb your hair from the nape of your neck forward toward your forehead. This reverses the normal flow and forces blood to your scalp. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes daily. Greek yogurt or buttermilk scalp treatments remove dandruff naturally. Before showering, apply either one to your scalp, massaging it in thoroughly. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. The beneficial bacteria and lactic acid eliminate dandruff-causing organisms and restore scalp health. Neem leaf water prevents infections and keeps your scalp healthy. Boil fresh neem leaves in water for 10 minutes. Let the water cool to a comfortable temperature. Use this water as a final rinse after shampooing. Neem's antibacterial and antifungal properties protect against infections that cause hair loss. Your hair might smell slightly bitter temporarily, but the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Which of these natural remedies will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Vigorphil for more natural health tips. The stress connection you cannot ignore. Stress destroys hair faster than almost any other factor. When you live in constant tension, your body produces cortisol and other stress hormones that attack hair follicles directly. These hormones push hair into premature shedding phases and prevent new growth from starting. Learning to manage stress isn't optional for healthy hair. Deep breathing exercises calm your nervous system immediately. Spend 10 minutes daily breathing slowly and deeply, focusing on each breath. This simple practice reduces cortisol levels and protects your hair. Adequate sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that strengthen hair. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid screens for 1 hour before bed. Remember that confidence and self-acceptance matter more than perfect hair. You are not defined by your appearance. Your worth comes from who you are, not how you look. When you embrace this truth, stress about hair loss decreases naturally, which, ironically, improves your hair health. Your path to naturally beautiful hair. Healthy, bouncy hair doesn't require expensive products or complicated routines. It requires understanding your body's needs and providing natural, wholesome solutions. The remedies shared here have helped countless people restore their hair's natural beauty and strength. Start with dietary improvements. Add more iron-rich leafy greens, vitamin C-rich fruits, and plant-based proteins to your meals. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Implement at least one natural treatment weekly. Whether you choose the amla and lemon mask, aloe vera gel, or curry leaf oil infusion, consistency brings results. Give each remedy at least 4 to 6 weeks before judging effectiveness. Practice daily scalp care. Massage your scalp, backcomb your hair, and use neem water rinses regularly. These small habits compound over time, creating significant improvements. Manage stress through breathing exercises, adequate sleep, and mindfulness. Your mental health directly affects your physical health, including your hair. Avoid chemical treatments whenever possible. Let your natural hair shine through. The temporary satisfaction of chemical treatments never outweighs the long-term damage they cause. Be patient with your hair growth journey. Hair grows slowly, typically ½ an inch per month. Changes take time to become visible. Trust the process and stay consistent. If this video helped you understand natural solutions for healthy hair, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vigorphil for more health wisdom.